Understanding name and reputation, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language. Phrases that are integral to how we perceive individuals and organizations. Specifically, we'll be exploring the meaning and use of the phrases name and reputation. These terms are not just words but carry a deep significance in personal, professional, and social contexts. So, let's get started and unravel the layers behind these phrases. Name, in its most straightforward sense, refers to a word or set of words by which a person, place, or thing is known, addressed, or referred to. However, metaphorically, it goes beyond just a label or an identifier. In many contexts, when we talk about someone's name, we're often referring to the quality or esteem associated with that person. It's not just who they are but what they stand for in the eyes of others. Moving on, reputation is the beliefs or opinions that are generally held about someone or something. It's a widespread perception that may or may not be based on actual facts, but significantly impacts how individuals or entities are viewed in society. Reputation encompasses the history of someone's behavior, achievements, ethics, and values as perceived by others. The phrases name and reputation are frequently mentioned together because they are closely interlinked in defining how an individual or organization is perceived. A good name can open doors, create opportunities, and build trust. Similarly, a strong reputation can enhance credibility, attract business, and foster relationships. Conversely, a tarnished reputation or name can have negative repercussions. It can lead to lost opportunities, distrust, and a challenging path to recovery. This shows why people and businesses alike invest time, effort, and resources in building and protecting their name and reputation. Building a positive name and reputation doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of consistent actions, ethical behavior, and effective communication. Here are a few tips. Integrity. Always act with honesty and honor. Quality. Strive for excellence in all your endeavors. Respect. Treat others with dignity and respect. Responsibility. Acknowledge mistakes and learn from them. Protecting your reputation also involves monitoring what is said about you and responding appropriately to criticism. It's about maintaining a positive image and making amends when necessary. In conclusion, understanding and appreciating the significance of name and reputation can have a profound impact on your personal and professional life. These concepts are more than just phrases. They are reflections of your character and values in the eyes of the world. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of nurturing and protecting your name and reputation. Thank you for watching, and remember, every action you take contributes to the legacy you leave behind.